Simplifying fractions. Student learning objectives. Simplify a fraction. Simplify a fraction. If the numerator and the denominator of a fraction have a common factor other than 1, the fraction is not simplified. To simplify a fraction, 1, write the numerator and the denominator as a product of their factors. 2, replace the common factors of the numerator and the denominator by 1. 3, multiply the remaining prime factors in the numerator. This product is the numerator of the simplified fraction. 4, multiply the remaining prime factors in the denominator. This product is the denominator of the simplified fraction. Example, simplify the following fractions. 28 over 84. So let's write 28 and 84 as a product of their prime factors. So we need to do the tree. 28 is 7 times 4. 7 is a prime number, circle. 4 is 2 times 2. Circle the 2's. So 28 can be written as 2 times 2 times 7. We need to do the same thing with 84. 84 goes into, let's say, 7 times 84 divided by 7 is 14. No, it's 12. 7 is a prime number. Circle it. 12 is not. We break it further into 3 times 4. 4 is a prime number. Circle it. 3 is a prime number. Circle. 4, we break it down into 2 times 2. So 84 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. Okay, so going back to what it says here. Write the numerator and the denominator as a product of their factors. So in this case, we wrote them as a product of their prime factors. It doesn't need to be, but we did that. Number 2, replace the common factors of the numerator and the denominator by 1. So the common factors, we replace them. 2 is a common factor, so this 2 is 1, and then there's a 2 here becomes 1. And then there is another 2, so that also becomes 1, and this 2 also becomes 1. And the 7 is a common to both, so 7 becomes, replace those by 1. Okay, so now let's go back and see what it says. Number 3, after replacing the common factors of the numerator and the denominator by 1, number 3, multiply the remaining prime factors in the numerator. This product is the numerator of the simplified fraction. And number 4, multiply the remaining prime factors in the denominator. This product is the denominator of the simplified fraction. So now this here is equal to 1. We can multiply 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1, over. In the denominator, we'll have 1 times 1 times 3 times 1, which is 3. So simplified, 28 over 84 is equal to 1 over 3. Okay, next question. 20 divided by 75, we want to simplify. 20 over 75. 20, write it as, break it down into product of its prime factors, 4 times 5. 5 is a prime number, circle it. 4 is 2 times 2. 2 is a prime number, circle it. So now we do the same thing with 75. 75 is 25 times 3. 3 is a prime number, circle it. 25 is 5 times 5. 5 is a prime number, circle it. So what do we have? We have 20 is 2 times 2 times 5. 75 is 3 times 5 times 5. Replace the common factors by 1. So 3, 2, and they're not common. 5 is a common, so we replace this by 1, each of them. And this multiply the remaining factors in the numerator and the remaining factors in the denominator. That will be the numerator and the denominator for the simplified fraction. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 over 3 times 5 is 15. 15 times 1 is 15. So 4 over 15. Next, 78 over 312. So 78 breaks down into 2 times 39. 2 is a prime number, circle it. 39 breaks down into 3 times 13. 13 and 3 are prime numbers, circle. We do the same thing with 312. 312 is 4 times 78. And this is 2 times 2. So there is a trick here. Now we found 78. So 312 is 4 times 78. So we can do what we can do here. 78, it remains as is. And because why? We found 78 is a factor of 312. So we break the 312 into 78 times 4. So that's it. We don't need to break the numbers down all the way to their prime factors. Now, 78 is a common factor to the numerator and the denominator. So we replace the 78 by 1 and then multiply the remaining factors. So we have a 1 in the numerator and the denominator 1 times 4 is 4. So simplified, 78 over 312 is 1 over 4.